What is the maximum measurement you can measure in this?
6 meters.
Okay, you can measure 6 meters, right? So if you want to measure, one more than 6 meters, then how can you measure?
We should extend, ma'am, one more unit.
Okay.
Right side, towards
How
right
much you
side.
have to extend?
If
How much you have to
one more
extend?
meter extra, we should extend one more unit, ma'am, of length 4, 5.
One more unit, one more meter. What is it?
One more division, ma'am. We should add one more division towards right side.
If I say that I want to increase not equal to one division, then what is the meaning of that one? Okay, I will tell you one example. Please listen carefully. The actual concept of this scales is, suppose if you are doing some painting work, doing some sketch on a paper, A4 size, suppose, for example, right? Then that when you are doing the sketch, then the part of that sketch is not, you are not unable to draw it there because you are not selected properly, you are not taken the scale properly. So something you have to draw it. Then what you'll do? Do you erase everything or what you'll do?
Reduce the scale, ma'am.
No. Just try to understand me. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైనా స్కెచ్ చేశారనుకోండి ఒక A4 సైజ్ షీట్ లో, ఓకే, దెన్ వేస్తూ సమ్ పార్ట్ మిగిలిపోయింది, వేయలేకపోతున్నారు ఆ షీట్ లో. యు ఆర్ అన్ఏబుల్ టు డూ ఆఫ్టర్ డూయింగ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ ఆన్ ద A4 సైజ్, then something is left that is not sufficient, the paper is not sufficient, then what you will do? You will erase whole sketch or what you will do?
We will erase.
Yes, please. Huh?
We will erase.
You will erase? After doing so much sketch on that, you will erase? చాలా మంచిగా స్కెచ్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఏదో సమ్ పెయింటింగ్ ఏదో వేశారనుకోండి, సపోజ్ ఒక పార్ట్ సరిపోలేదు, పేపర్ సరిపోలేదు, ఒక బొమ్మను వేసారు అనుకోండి, ఒక మనిషి బొమ్మ వేశారు, స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, చాలా నీట్ గా వచ్చేసింది, వచ్చేసరికి కాళ్ళు సరిపోలేదు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఐ వాంట్ రెస్పాండ్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ ప్లీజ్. వాట్ విల్ డూ? Will you erase everything again and do it again? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am. We'll erase everything. Or take a new paper.
We'll attach some other paper and we'll try.
Yes, you will attach some other paper. Yes, I want that one. So you attach same size of paper, or you attach small piece of paper, or you attach big size of paper?
Same size of paper.
Yes, very good. So you are saying that same size of paper is nothing but a RF. You said same size of paper is nothing but a RF. So this RF is won't change when you take this extra division here, right? RF will be remain same. Okay, RF will be remain same. Then you can show the measurement of more than 6 meters now, right? So now what I do is I will increase one length here. I'll increase one length because I don't know the exact length, right? So I'm doing like this. You can do, you draw one line and take compass, measure this length with compass, Don't measure with scale. Measure with length, this compass. Then cut it here like this. Okay, then you will get the exact length. Is it clear now? So I'm increasing one more length. Okay. Got it one more length. Then I will write it here 6. Now I want to measure 6.3 now. Now I want to show 6.3. You can show up to 7 meters also. You can show up to 7 meters. Okay. Now I will measure 6.3. Point here. Sorry. I'll raise it again. So this one is 6.3. Okay. Now here you can write it here 6.3. Okay. So this, now you got it. The concept of the when you want to increase the, you want to show the length. Okay. So again, I'm telling you, if you are unable to show the length, the concept is if the sketch is not sufficient in that particular page, right? So you need to attach the same size of the paper, not bigger one and not smaller one, so that the RF will be remaining same. RF will be won't change. If you take the same division, RF will won't change. Okay. So in that case, then you can show the more than 5 meters. So till 6 meters you can show here. Is it clear, all of you? Have you all got? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we'll do the second one. Do the second one. Who will read the second problem? Who will read?
Ma'am, actually in the first one, what is the height, ma'am? 5
This one,
centimeters
this one,
or 5 millimeters?
this one, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
5 mm. You take 5 mm. You take 5 mm. Because if you draw a one line, in one line you cannot show, na? In one single line you cannot show, right?
Ma'am, in book they said at least you should take between 3 to 10 centimeters.
No problem. That is not required. Any length you can take. Any length you can take. It's not compulsory.
Okay, okay.
It's not compulsory. Where it is there, 3 to 5, 10 centimeters. Okay, it's not compulsory. Why we
Okay,
need
ma'am.
to take this thickness is we need to show this way. Whereas for diagonal, we have to take 5 centimeters so that we can divide easily 10 parts. You can see the page number 25, the third problem. Diagonal scale, that is a diagonal scale. You have to show in that way. So the thickness is 5 centimeters you can take so that we can divide easily. Right? So here 5 mm is enough, or 1 centimeter also is enough. If you're feeling very small, then you take this one as 1 centimeter. Take this as 1 centimeter. Okay. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is 6.3 meters. Now we'll go for another one. Now this is the second problem, and what is the second problem is construct a plane scale of 1:4 to show centimeters and decimeters and long enough to measure up to 5 decimeters. Okay. Show the length of 3.7 decimeters and 2.4 decimeters on it. And you please add in there, in the previous problem also, you please add that and show 6.3 meters also. Please, in your notebook, please add in first question that and also show 6.3 meters. And also show 6.3 meters, and please draw in this way, and don't try to make this one as a thick line, right? Let it be a thin line only, so that you can understand what you have done. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And also you please add here and also show 6.3 meters. Okay. Now come to the second one. Please copy the same thing, and please don't write that one. Don't get confused. For if I tell in for all problems, you will get confused. Please don't write the extra part. Just write what is there in that. If you want, you can add it there. Okay. Now, what is RF here for second problem? What is RF? What is RF?
1/4.
Please respond. Please respond. Other also.
1/4,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes, 1/4. Okay. What is the maximum length? What is the maximum length? What is the maximum length given in the question?
56 meters.
Huh?
5
5
decimeters.
decimeters.
5
5
decimeters.
Yeah, 5 decimeters. So what is the length of the scale? What is the length of the scale? See here, what is the length of the scale now? Just this RF is 1/4. Length of the scale is RF into maximum length. Okay, that is equals to this. I have to move this one and I have to copy this one. Just wait, I will copy this one. I will move it. Just wait. So please add this one. This I have written on everything is one line, so it is not moving this part, half of the part. Let me try once again. This whole thing is selecting, so I'm unable to move this part. I thought that I had to add this 1/4 here. I had to copy 1/4 here and here. Okay, so I will try this copy, select the object. So it is also not doing. Okay, so you please remove this part. Let me select the erase. It will erase or not this part. No, it is erasing everything. It's erasing everything. So I need to erase everything here also. This one, this portion. Okay. So please you write down length of the scale. Write down length of the scale equals to RF into maximum length. RF into maximum length. That is equals to 1 by 4 into 5 decimeter. Write down first 1 by 4 into 5 decimeter. Okay. Then equals to 1 by 4 into 5 into 10 centimeters. 1 by 4 into 5 into 10 centimeters. So what is the length you got? What is the length you got?
12.5.
Yes, 12.5 centimeters. Please say the units also. So 12 centimeters. So this I had drawn at 12.5 centimeters. Now you please draw the 12.5 centimeters. Draw 12.5 centimeters and this thickness is 1 centimeter. This thickness is 1 centimeter. And you please divide this into again 10 parts. Divide this into 10 parts. So each part will be how much? Each part is how much?
Each part is 1 centimeter.
Yes, 1 centimeter. So please divide and do in this way. And please make a thick lines as I'm showing here. Okay, now I made it a thick line. So this is decimeter, this is centimeters. Now here, after making the equal parts here, so each division is centimeter. So here, what should I write here? Should I write 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here? Each division.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it is centimeter. If I say decimeter, this is instead of decimeter, what should I write here?
0.1, 0.2, 0.
Yes, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 like that. So you also write like that only. Here, I'm unable to, I can write here, but you can't write in your notebooks all numbers here. So simply just write down here only 5 like this. At the fifth part, just show the 5. Okay. And please, you don't write. I think your page, your drawing will be, these lines will be very close lines. So here I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's clear now. Right now we constructed the scale as per the given RF. Okay. Now you have to show the length 3.7 now. So how to show the 3.7 decimeters? How to show the 3.7 decimeters?
3 decimeters, 7 centimeters.
Yes, 3 decimeters. So first you have to show here. Okay. 3 decimeters and 7 7 centimeters. So go here like this. Okay.
Mai, Mai. సత్తున్నారు అప్పుడే ఇష్టం వస్తుంది.
So please write down here 3.7. Now how to measure 2.4? 2.4. Yes, please. 2.4.
4 centimeter.
Yes. 2 centimeter. 2 decimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay. So this is 2. From here I'll draw 2. Okay. And 4. From here I'll draw 4. Okay. So like that we can show 2.4 decimeters. Okay. Have you all got how to do? Now please turn the page. Please turn the page number 26. And assignment problem is there. Assignment problem. Just we will discuss the assignment problem. We have to do all these problems. Okay. Now who will read the question now in assignment problem? First one. Yes, please. Who will read? Who will read? Yes, roll number 90. Roll number 90. Is not there. Roll number 90.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Amma. Please read the first assignment problem. Page number 26.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
A 3.2 centimeter long line represents a length of 4 meters.
Yes.
Extend this line to measure length up to 25 meters and show on its
Okay,
units
just
of
wait.
meter.
Just wait. Show on units of meters, meter, and 5 meters. Okay. Now, what is the RF here? What is RF? Roll number 78. What is RF? What is RF here in this one? Anyone?
3 by 2 by
25
4.
meters.
No, I want it RF. Someone is telling 3 by something. What? Who is that? Repeat again.
3.2 by 4.
Yes. You have to say the units also, ma. What is 3.10? What is 4?
3.2
Okay.
centimeters, 4 meters.
Yes. Now please write down there. Just write down. You can copy this problem later on, but I will explain you. 3.2 centimeter, RF equal to 3.2 centimeter divided by 4 meters. Please write the unit also. 3.2 centimeter divided by 4 meters. That is equals to 3.2 centimeters divided by 4 into 100. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, right? Yes or no? 3.2 centimeter equal to 3.2 centimeter divided by 4 into 100 meters. 4 into 100 centimeters. So both numerator and denominator become centimeters. So what is the RF you got now?
8 by
Please
1000.
calculate what is the RF. Huh? Okay, don't calculate now. Just leave it like that only. 3.2 divided by 400. Okay. Now what is the length of the scale? RF into maximum length. Then here, what is the maximum length? What is the maximum length here in this problem?
RF into 25.
Yes, RF into 25. 25 meters. So, length of the scale equal to, just write down, please, all of you. Length of the scale equal to RF into maximum length. That is equals to 3.2 divided by 400 into 25 into 100. Okay. Then what is the length of the scale you got? Please, anyone?
5,000.
Roll number 92. Yes, sir. Roll number
Yes.
92. What is
Yes, ma'am.
the length you got? What is
1
the
minute.
length of the scale you got?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute. ఇక్కడ మినిట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చిందమ్మా? ఇక్కడ మినిట్స్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? You are not regular to the class. You are not listening the class. Anyone?
No, ma'am.
20.
I'm asking you 1 minute.
20, ma'am.
I didn't say that.
ఏమంటున్నామా? 92. What are you
20,
saying?
20.
I didn't see
All
the
of you got
answer as
20?
1 minute.
Okay, okay. Any more who got 20 or any other length? Please respond. Anybody got any other value or same value? I want a clarification.
Same, ma'am.
Same, ma'am.
How much? How much?
20 centimeters.
Okay, good. So draw 20 centimeters. Draw 20 centimeters in your notebook. And how many divisions you have to make? How many divisions?
5.
Yes, please. 20 వచ్చింది కదా. Length 20 వచ్చిస్తే ఎన్ని divisions చూపియాలి? How many divisions you have to make? Yes, please. In the previous two questions, in the first problem, The maximum length is 6 meters,
Ma'am,
so we
17.
divided into six parts, right?
17 divisions.
In second problem, 17 divisions. Just
They said that
listen here.
17 meters.
In first problem, you can see the first page that 17 meters. ఎందుకు కాదమ్మా ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం లో the maximum length is 6 meters kada, so we divided into 6 parts. And in second problem lo the maximum length is 5 decimeters kada, so we divided into 5 parts, right? Now here in assignment problem, the first problem, how many divisions we have to make? How many equal parts we have to make?
4, ma'am.
Yes, please.
6.
Yes,
5 meters
4.
and 1.
We have to make 4 divisions equal 4 only, because here the maximum length is 4 meters kada. Represent a length of 4 meters. It means that is a maximum length. Okay. So we have to make 4 equal parts. 20 centimeters ni 4 equal parts divide cheyali. Then from first division you have to write 0 like a previous one. So like this, first division 0, second division 1, third division is 2, and 3. Last division is 3. 4 parts kada, so 3 vastayi meeku. Okay, so this 1 to 3 is what are the units? 1 to 3 anadi what are the units? Yes, please.
Meters, ma'am.
Meters. Okay. So meters annappudu, then in the question what is asking, extend this line to measure length up to 25 meters. So if you measure 25 meters, what is the RF? What is the length of the scale?
Twenty centimeters.
25 చేసినప్పుడు ఎంత సెంటీమీటర్ వస్తుంది? If you take 4 meters, the length of the scale 4 centimeters వస్తుంది కదా, ఎంత 20 centimeters వచ్చింది. Okay. $20 centimeters. So you are dividing into 4 parts. Dividing into 4 parts. Then first one is 0, second one is 1, third one is 2, and fourth one is 3. Okay. So those are in meters.
Ma'am,
Those
I
are in
think 125
meters.
centimeters.
If you multiply with 25,
For 4 meters, we have to take 20 centimeters. Means for 25 meters, we have to take 125 now.
yes, you got a 125. So 125 centimeters you cannot draw in the scale. You cannot draw in your paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please don't consider that one. Just you measure 5 meters. Problem lo koncham mistake undi. Okay. So don't bother about that one. Just you show only 5 meters. How to show the 5 meters? Again, you have to extend one division there. You have to extend one division, then you can able to show the 5 meters. Is it clear? Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Once you got the RF, RF is 3.2 by 400 and length of the scale is 3.2 by 400 into 500. So you got 20 centimeters, you said, right? And please show only 5 meters in that. Show 5 meters, what you have to do? To show 5 meters, what you have to do? Yes? ఇక్కడ మీకు 25 meters అని ఉంది కదా, ఈ 25 meters when you multiply with 25 meters to that given RF, you are getting 125 centimeters, right? So this 125 centimeters you cannot draw in A4 size sheet. You can draw only on the A1 size, A1 size drawing sheet. PS all would do in A1 size sheet. So it is possible there. Now here, please don't bother about that one. Just you measure 5 meters only. Show 5 meters. How will you show 5 meters in that?
We should extend one more division, ma'am, here.
If you extend one more division, can you show the 5 meters? With 3
Yes, ma'am, because it is
3
4 meters,
and
ma'am.
subdivision is 4.
It
Yes,
is 4 meters,
meters. So
ma'am.
if you increase one division. Yes, yes. Yes. So 4 meters, you can show there. So 5 meters, if you want to show 5 meters, then you have to extend one division. Okay, so please extend one division. Okay, now it is clear? Again, listen. In this given question, it said that extend this line to measure length up to 25 meters. Right? If you multiply with 25 meters, then you are saying that you are getting length of the scale is 125 centimeters. Is it true? If you are getting 125 centimeters, this drawing can do only in A1 size sheet. Okay. మీకు అప్పట్లో ఈ సిలబస్ ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ అప్పట్లో థియరీ ఉండేది, ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టికల్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇన్ AutoCAD. సో నాట్ ఇన్ పేపర్స్, ఓన్లీ ఫ్యూ పార్ట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇన్ పేపర్స్ ఇన్ A4 size sheet. Okay, so this problem can do only in A1 size sheet. So don't bother about this one, just you measure only 5 meters. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And we'll go to the second one. We'll go to the second one, please. A room of, here again I am explaining, I am not going to write, I am not going to show this one. Please try to understand the problem and write down and draw the diagram later on. I will explain everything. Please ask me the questions. Don't feel shy if you don't know anything. Okay. Okay. Now, a room of 1725 meter cube volume is shown by a cube of 216 centimeter cube volume. Find the RF and construct a plane scale to measure up to 42 meters. Okay. Mark a distance of 22 meters on this scale. Okay. Now, what is RF here? What is RF?
216 centimeter cube by 42 meters.
Again 216, yes. So 216 centimeter cube by, so please write down RF equals to 216, you have to write with unit also, 216 centimeter cube by 1728 meter cube. Okay. Now that is equal to, what is cube root of that 216? You please show show that under the cube root of 216 by 1728. So how much you are getting? Cube root of 216 is how much?
6.
6. 6, ma'am.
6, ma'am.
Okay. 6. So 6 is centimeter. Again, you write the centimeter properly there. That is equals to 6 centimeter by, and 1728. Cube root of 1728. How much?
12.
12. Is it 12? All of you got 12? So last one, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So last number is 8. So 12. Okay. 12 is what there now? What is the unit for 12?
Meters.
Meters.
Yes, good. Yes. So please write. Again, I'm repeating. RF equals to 216 centimeter cube by 1728 meter cube. That is equals to cube root of 216 divided by 1728. That is equals to 6 centimeters divided by 12 meters. That is equals to 6 by 12 into 100. So that is equals to 6
50.
by 1200. No, don't remove that one. Let it be like, don't, okay. Let it be, don't divide that one. It be 6 by 1200 of centimeter. Both are centimeters, right? Okay. Now, what is the length of the scale?
Ma'am,
RF?
21, ma'am. 21.
21.
21 centimeters.
You got, no, don't. How much? What is the maximum length? You have to multiply with RF?
42.
42
What is the
42
maximum
meters.
length? Yes.
42 meters.
Yes. 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 Length of the scale equals to RF into maximum length. Write down like that. So that is equals to 6 by 1200 into 42 meters. Again equals to 6 by 1200 into 4200. Now everything is in centimeters, right? Now how much you got? What is the length you got?
21, ma'am.
Whole thing? Yes, 21. 21 is what?
Centimeters.
What is it, 21?
Length of the scale.
Centimeter.
Yes.
Length of
Yes. So you have to draw 21 centimeter line length. Length of the line is 21 centimeter. Okay, draw the line 21 centimeter. Okay. Now, my question is, how many divisions you have to do? Here, please do it in a notebook, this problem. Later on, you can do it in another fairly.
Ma'am, they said
In
us to mark
21
22, so 22 divisions.
22 divisions. And please think it once again. Here it is. It is showing that 22. You have to show the 22 meters. ఇక్కడ మనకి 42 డివిజన్స్ చేయాలని 42 డివిజన్స్ చేయాలి కదా మనం we did 6 maximum length is 6 meters అంటే 6 డివిజన్స్ చేసాము ఒక దాంట్లో 5 అంటే 5 డివిజన్స్ చేసాము now here 42 కదా so what we have to do now anyone yes should we make it 42 divisions here yes please మీరు చెప్పండి అమ్మా ఏదో నో అని చెప్పండి తెలియదంటే తెలియదని చెప్పండి. ఐ వాంట్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ లో అయితే మీ ఫేస్ చూసి నేను అర్థం చేసుకుంటాను, ఇక్కడ కుదరట్లేదు కదా. సో ఐ వాంట్ రెస్పాండ్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ. డోంట్ బాదర్, ఇఫ్ యూ టెల్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఆల్సో నో ప్రాబ్లం. షుడ్ ఐ మేక్ 42 డివిజన్స్ హియర్? Yes. Okay, if I want to make a 42 divisions, instead of 42 divisions, how can I make divisions? 42 divisions అంటే చాలా దగ్గరికి వస్తాయి కదా. 42 బదులు ఇంకేం చేయొచ్చు? Yes, please. Don't know? Can't we make like 7 6 are 42? You got some idea? 7 6 are 42 అని చెప్పాను కదా, చిన్న హింట్ ఇచ్చాను. I given a small hint. So how many divisions can we make? Now tell me. Yes?
7 or
7. Anyone, any answers?
7 or 6.
Or 6, right? Very good. Yes, very good. Now we can, first we'll make a 7 divisions. First we'll make a 7 divisions. Please try to make a 7 divisions in your notebook roughly. Please try to do 7 divisions. 1 2 3 4. Here I'm also doing. Here I'm also doing 7 divisions. Okay? Chesara meer kuda? So after doing 7 divisions, first division 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 1 2 3 4 5 6 or something else? Yes?
1 2 3 4
1
5
2 3 పెట్టాలా? లేదు, 1 2 3 4 5 6 కాదు. 7 డివిజన్స్ అన్నప్పుడు 7 పెట్టాలి. 7 7 the 7, so it is a 14. Yes, so it is a 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. 42 లేకపోతే 6 చేయాలా? 7 చేస్తే 6 చేయాలి. 7 6 42 కదా. సో మనకి 42 రావద్దు ఇక్కడ, ఎందుకంటే ఒకటి తగ్గించాం కదా, ఒక డివిజన్ తగ్గించాం. It should get 35 till 35 or else 0 6. Is it coming correct? 7 అంటే so 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Let me write. If you take 6 divisions, if you take 6 divisions,
Ma'am, if we make 7 divisions, we should start with 6, ma'am. 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12.
yes, that's what. If you are doing 7 divisions, you have to take 0, 6, 12, 18, 18 like that. Okay. If divide into 7 parts and from first division 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Because if you take, if you make it as 7 divisions, the last division you are getting 42. Manaki entunda anta raakuddu. That is a small hint that you are doing a mistake. When in the first problem, the maximum length is 6 meters.
Madam, where is
Right?
presentation, madam?
So after dividing the last one, we are getting only
Madam,
Entama?
presentation
Yes.
not visible, madam.
నేను ఇక్కడ వేయలేదు, డ్రాయింగ్ వేయలేదు.
Okay,
It is
okay.
visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is only the reason I'm not showing the figure, because I want to ask you randomly. I want to pick you all, whether you are following or not. Okay. So please take a 21 centimeter long line, make it 7 equal parts. Please do it roughly, 7 equal parts. The first one is 0, I mean second division, second line. 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. And again, I'm telling you, previous we were doing like 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, right? So 42 maximum length అన్నప్పుడు 42 ఎప్పుడు ఎండ్ లోకి రాదు, వచ్చిందంటే అది తప్పు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో రిమెంబర్ ఇన్ దట్ వే. సో సీ ద ప్రీవియస్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, 6 meters అంటే 6 డివిజన్ చేస్తే మనకి 5 వరకు ఎండ్ అయిపోయింది కదా. సో ఇన్ దట్ సేమ్ మేనర్ ద second one also we got that same thing, like the maximum length is 5 decimeters, so we got up to the 4 decimeters only. Okay, so here in this present problem also, when you are divided into 7 equal parts, so when we are doing again 7, 0, 7, 14 like that, the end one is coming 42, so that is wrong. That way you have to understand that you are doing wrong. So when you are doing 7 parts, so 7 6 are 42, right? So we can, if you make 7 parts, then each part is 6, 6, 6. So 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, now you take one more length, 21 centimeters. One more length, 21 centimeters. Make it into 6 parts now. Make it into 6 parts. This problem can do in 2 ways. So another one is you can make into 6 parts of 21 centimeter. Draw it 21 centimeters and make it 6 parts. Okay, so the first one is 0 and the second one is what?
7.
Yes, 7, then 14, then 21, then 28.
We can get 35, ma'am.
Yes, 35. Now here, what is the length is asking to show? 22 meters. So these are all meters. The main right 0 to right side is 0 to right side is in meters, and what is 0 to left side is what? Is also meters. 0 to left side is also meters, and the first one also meters. So first division we made it 6 division 6 12 like that. Wait, just I will show you in the screen. We'll get confused. Okay. Take 1 centimeter. Yes. Now have you all done like this? Like this? So here I will copy because we want the same thing. Okay, same problem. So 21, 21. So here in the first problem, we will make 7 parts. First problem will make a second 7 parts. So I want to take some line. So 21 kada. Can we make 21 into 7 parts? Yes. 21 లో 7 parts చేయొచ్చా లేదా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 3, 3.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please make a 7 parts. 300 kada. I mean 3 centimeters. Seven part I done. You also done? You are done? So first one is 0. So I will make it a little bigger one compared to this one. This is 50, so I at least I have to make 50 sizes. Now, this one is 0. This one is 6. This is 6, 12, 15. No, not 15. 18, 24. This one is 30. And this one is 36. Is it clear? Okay. Now here in the next problem, next figure. Here I want to make 6 equal parts. So how can I make a 6 equal parts? In 21, can I make a 6 equal parts? Vastunda chudandi okasari. 21 divided by 6, how much I am getting? How much I am getting? Can you make 6 equal parts? Please check it.
Madam is eating.
How much ma?
Some
21. Without doing the division
3.5.
method, can huh? 2.5, huh?
3.5, ma'am.
3.5, okay. 3.5. So make it 3.5. Yes, I made it. Now first one is how much? First one is 0. First one is 0. Now what is the next one now? What should I write here?
7.
What is the next, huh?
7.
What should I write? 7. Yes. Next one is 14. And next one is 21.
21.
Yes. 28. And here is 35. Okay. Now here, because these are all meters only.
28. 35.
No, this side, back side, backward from 0. Because here again, you read the question, we have to show all in meters. He didn't ask any other unit. Just only in meters, 22 meters. Mark the distance of 22 meters. So everything in meters only. So 0 to 7 here meters. Here also subdivisions also 7 only. Okay, so I will write here as 7. Okay. So here, this one is meters. We have to write here meters. I'll write it here meters. And this one also in meters. And here also meters. And here also meters. Subdivisions. And here 6. Okay. 6. Now, is it clear all of you? Is it clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And here, we cannot make 7 equal parts. So we have to go in this method only. We have to go in this method. So here, I will take 3 division of a line method, right? Is you also do like that only, roughly. Then later on you can do. I taken the 300. This is 3.5. So I taken the 3 centimeters. Okay. So here again I want to divide into 10 parts. So you also 3 mm. Please make it a 3 mm divisions here.
7 parts, no, ma'am.
Right. No. Adi kadamma. 7 parts. No, you can't make a 7 parts. Okay. Yes, you can make a 7 parts. Right. You can make it 7 parts. So you please take this length as which is multiple with 7. Like you can take 3.5 only. So already this is 3.5, right? So 7 you can take. Okay. Yes, you have to make 7 equal parts. Five mm. So no need to go in the division method. 0.5 you can take. Am I right? Is it clear, all of you? Make into 7 equal parts. So 5 mm you are getting. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
So this 1 to 7 is 3.5 centimeters. So here you can make easily without making a division method. So can we try? Am I right? Okay. So here also can we make here how much it was each division? 21 kada. Is it 30?
Two mm, ma'am.
For this division 0 to 6, the total length is 21 kada. 21 ante each length is how much you got? 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters can we make 6 parts?
Yes, ma'am. 5 mm.
50. Yes. 50 kada. 50 తీసుకోవాలి 50 అంటే 5 mm. 50. Yes. Yeah, so in this we can divide easily without doing a division, without doing the equal parts. Right? Am I right? So now here again you can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Now is it clear, all of you? Now we have to measure the length. What is the length of the measure? What type of which one? 22 meters. Now you please tell me how to measure the 22 meters. Yes, tell me how to make a 22 meters. How to measure the 22 meters?
24 we have to take.
Yes, please. How to measure 22 meters? 24?
18 we have 18 take.
Say again.
Ma'am, between 18 to 24, we should again divide into 6 parts.
Yes. So yes, see here. So 22, we have to measure 22 meters kada. 22 meters is equal to, so main scale, this is the main scale, this is the subdivision, subscale, right? So here how to measure the least, we cannot go 24 here. So we have to take 18 meters. Right. The remaining how much?
Plus 4 meters.
Remaining is how much? 4 meters.
4, ma'am.
So here you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me write here. 1. This is small size you have to write, right? 2, 3, So remaining 18 plus 2, 18 plus 4. So here you have to take 4 meters. Okay. Now here I will draw the line. So from 18. So from 18. And another one is where I have to draw. Where I have to show the dimension. At 4. Okay. So this is 22 meters. Meters. Is it clear now? What have you got? How to measure? Yes or no? అందరికి అర్థమైందా? Or anything? Doubt? Any doubts? I all got? Now here, in this case, we'll see in this case. So in this case, how to measure 22?
We should take up to 21, ma'am.
Yes.
From 0
Then?
to left side, we have to take 1 division.
1, right, good. Yes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here I will draw the line. So first we have to take 21. So 21 is here. And 1 is here. Okay. Twenty-two. So these lines should be thick lines. You have to show these lines thick lines. Now is it clear, all of you? Now you may be getting some doubts whether you are getting the same length or not when you compare. Shall we check this one? right? So when you are doing the two cases, so you should know, you should confirm that whether you are getting these two same length or not, right? So shall we measure this one? So I will use this dimension. So here 11, okay. Now here just some error it's showing, so I have not drawn something else. So here also 11, okay. Now it is confirmed, right? So the length of the scale is showing exactly same length in both the cases. Yes or no? Any doubt in this? Yes, please. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now here you have to do the first problem, second one as a homework. So total problems in plane scale is 4 problems. Total 4 problems that you have to show in your drawing sheets, A4 size. And assignment problem, these 2 problems take as assignment problem. Please note it down. The first one, second one, and I will add the third and fourth also after explanation. Okay. Now we'll go to the fourth one now. Third question, page number, again go back to page number 25. Go back, page number 25. Yes. Now construct a diagonal scale of 3:20. Now in this this diagonal scale is for 3 consecutive units. The diagonal scale is for 3 consecutive units, whereas for plane scale is for 2 consecutive units. Okay. Is it clear now? So here we have to take the thickness is 5 centimeters, so that we can divide vertically 10 equal parts. So that we can divide vertically 10 equal parts, right? So instead of that one, what I do is I'll take a first problem. We'll take a first problem for diagonal scale. First problem, same problem. Okay, so that you can know the difference between the plane scale and the diagonal scale, right? So again, please write down the question. Don't copy the same question. I want to explain first problem for diagonal scale also. Yes. Draw the plane scale of write a heading of diagonal scale. Write a heading of diagonal scale. Draw a plane scale of draw a diagonal scale of. Are you all writing? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Draw a diagonal scale of 1:60. Draw a diagonal scale of 1:60, showing meters, decimeters, and centimeters. Showing meters, decimeters, and centimeters. So these are the consecutive units. Can you tell any other 3 consecutive units? Anyone?
Millimeter,
Any 3, anyone?
decimeter.
Meter,
Yes,
decameter,
yes.
kilometer.
Yes, very good, very good. Right, I'm happy. So like that. So any 3 consecutive units for diagonal scale. So here meters, decimeters, and centimeters to measure up to 6 meters. To measure up to 6 meters. Show the length of 3.72 meters. Show the length of 3.72 meters. And 4.98 meters on it. 4.98 meters on it. Right? Now, so where is the first one? Okay, this is the first one, right? So I will show the same thing. I will copy the same thing here. Now, is it clear, all of you? Now, try to understand this one. I will copy the same problem here. So you also try to understand this one. The problem adi kada. No, I don't want to take this one. Okay, later I will delete it. Okay. What is the RF you got for first problem?
1/60.
No. Length of the, what is the total length we got? 10 centimeter, right?
10 centimeters.
Yes. So I will draw here 10 centimeter. Yes. Then here you make it 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters here. Okay. Make it 5 centimeters here. Right? Then for 6 meters, maximum length is 6 meters. How many divisions we have to make? How many divisions? So make it 6 divisions. What I do is here I will make it a 6 divisions. I will not explain again this method. So here dividing method in AutoCAD. I will select this one. Enter. Numbers is 6. Okay, I got it now. So from each division, I will make a line command, or I can copy also. Yes. Now is it clear, all of you? So this whole thing, I'll make it a thick line. I'll make it thick line. I'll select all. Then I go to this one. Okay. Right. Now here, in the previous, okay, I will go back. I will not make it thick line. Later, I will make it a thick line. Let it be like this only. Okay. Okay. Now here, this will be the I will copy this text also, because again, I don't want to write here. Copy. This one I want to copy all this. Is that it will come there only, because same problem we are doing. Okay. So this one I will take as a base point. So you can do this one. Then I will make it at this point exactly. I will get there only. Okay. Now here again I will make a divisions here. So here also you have to make 10 equal parts. How I have done, same way you have to do here also. So instead of doing all that, what I do is I'll copy this one. I'll copy same thing here. Again, it will take a lot of time to construct here. Copy. I want to copy all this. Okay. Same undi kada. So I copy chestanu. So you do this method, division of line equal parts. Of course, I will take equal parts also. Again, I will divide it there. Actual division. Okay. Then I selected. Then it's asking a base point. So I will take this as a base point. Okay. Exactly. I will copy here. Okay. It will take a lot of time for me to copy, for me to draw everything here. Okay. It's clear now. So again, here I didn't make the equal parts. And now I will make here equal parts. Divide. Divide. So this one I will select 10 parts. Yes. This one making whole thing. I was taking this whole selected. This whole length is selected. So for this one, I want to select only for this one. So I will draw it one more line on this. I will draw one more line on this. Then I will select that line. Okay. Now again I will go to divide. Divide, select object. So now you see. This only part is selecting, right? It is not selecting whole the length. This one. Then how many numbers? 10 parts I have to make. 10 parts. So already here you got. It will get the same point. Okay. Because here already we have done. So for me to make it easy, not to save the time for this problem within 12. So I'm doing this way. So what you have to do is you go to this method and make it equal parts. Okay. Now here also, and this is very important. And here also you have to make equal parts. Here also you have to make equal parts. So this line, this part. So what you have to do? Anyone? ఇక్కడ కూడా 10 ఈ పోర్షన్ లో 10 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ప్లీజ్. Yes, please. Please answer to my
same
question.
line division method, or you should in AutoCAD you should do a copy paste.
No, you forget about the AutoCAD. Please. You forget about that. AutoCAD నేను మళ్ళీ మంచిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. Don't worry about the AutoCAD. నేను ఇది ఎందుకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నానంటే why explaining out, because you people are doing with manual drawings. You are not using AutoCAD. AutoCAD, it is very easy to divide like this, taking a divide command. Okay, మీరు AutoCAD కాకుండా manual గా చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి this method you have to go. So my question is for you only. Okay, this is why I am taking like this, to save the time at present. Because I want to complete by 12:20. So to save the time, I am taking this. I just copied from here because same problem we are following, right? Just I copied here to save the time. ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ ఈ లైన్ డ్రా చేసి మళ్ళీ ట్రిమ్ చేసి ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు టైం వేస్ట్ కదా అని డ్రా చేశాను. ఓకే, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఇన్ ద మెథడ్ ఓన్లీ. బట్ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ యూ ఓన్లీ, నాట్ ఇన్ ద AutoCAD. ఇక్కడ డివైడ్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? సో యూ షుడ్ నాట్ గో సేమ్ మెథడ్, రైట్? వన్స్ యూ డివైడెడ్ హియర్, కీప్ ఏ స్కేల్ హియర్. స్కేల్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసుకొని, స్కేల్ ఆర్ రోలర్ పెట్టేసుకొని ఈ సేమ్ లో ఇలా పెట్టేసుకొని ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఎక్కడ పెట్టావో అక్కడ ఇక్కడ మార్క్ చేయాలి. అగైన్ సెకండ్ ఇక్కడ మార్క్ చేయండి. జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మార్క్ ఎనఫ్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు మార్క్, దట్స్ ఇట్. అన్ని 10 డివిజన్స్ దగ్గర మార్క్ చేయాలి. ఒక్కొక్క డివిజన్ దగ్గర మార్క్ చేయాలి. ఈ డివిజన్ దగ్గర ఇక్కడ అక్కడ మార్క్, ఇక్కడ మార్క్, ఇక్కడ ఒక్కొక్క మార్క్ చేయాలి. సో instead of that I am dividing here. Again I will divide here. So before, if I select, I will not explain here again AutoCAD, you are getting confused. Okay. Divide. Yes, now I divided. Right? So we'll scale bit already the dots are divided. So you put a roller or scale. Just mark it here. The same parallel. Keep your scale or roller parallel to this line or this line. Just move and mark points here. Okay. That thing you have to make. So no, again here at this portion, no need to go again this division method. కొంచెం ఆలోచించి డ్రా చేస్తే you will get the ideas how to draw. Is it clear, all of you? Now, diagonal means you have to draw a diagonal. You have to draw a diagonal here. So here, from first, I'll take a command line. I will auto off is there. Okay, from here to here exactly. You have to draw the line here. This is the diagonal I got. Okay. Again, from here to here, another diagonal. So like that you draw the diagonal. So first is from 0 to 1th part at the above. And set 1 to 2 like this. Diagonal lines. Are you all getting? Yes, I got all diagonals, right? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Yes or no? Respond, Chendama. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
అంత లేట్గా ఎందుకు రెస్పాండ్ చేస్తున్నారు? ఈ 1 to 3 డాట్స్ కూడా కాపీ అవుతున్నాయి. Okay, I want to take like this. Right. Okay. Now got it now? So 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, like that I joined. So here, again horizontally we have to take 10 equal parts. So again, make it 10 equal parts. You can make it easily 10 equal parts. 0.5 means 5 mm, right? So make a 5 mm division, 5 mm, divide 10 equal parts. Okay. So here it is there divided, but the division, these points, dots are in vertical line. So I will change this one, VDP, not VDP, VDP. So I want to say in vertical on the other. So these lines are, point is there. Okay. These lines are there here, coinciding. So without showing this one, how can I make it? Let's see. It will show the this dot. While I'm drawing the line, it will show the dot. I'll show you how it is showing. So I want to copy. So here I will take a copy command because this one I want to copy, this line. Already I had drawn one line here. So I want to copy this one, right? So I will take a base point here. select the object, selected not. Now this is the displacement line. So when I move my cursor here, this I can node and చూపిస్తుంది కదా, nothing but is a point. Okay, already the point is there. That's why it's showing the node. So I can select there. See here. So here also. Yes, are you all getting? So move your cursor here. So where it is showing the node, so there you have to select. Yes. So now count it. How many divisions we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Is it clear now? Now here I want to make it. Now here we should be very clear. What are these? What are these? What are these? 1 to 3 ఏంటి ఇవన్నీ ఇక్కడ? మీటర్సా, డెసిమీటర్సా, సెంటీమీటర్సా ఏంటి?
Meters.
Meter.
Yes, meters.
Yes.
So I will write it here meters. So meters. What is the size? Text size showing very bigger one. 50. So I don't want to show 50. This is just 30 is enough. But 30 also will become very big size. Okay, enough. Meters. And then what are these here? This side? This side 80. 0 to back side. If these are the meters, then what are these? 1 to 3 rasan. What are these then? Please respond quickly.
Decameter.
Decimeter.
Decimeters.
డెసిమీటర్ అమ్మా, డెకా వేరు, డెసి వేరు. చూడండి ఇగో తర్వాత ఉండే సెంటి కదా, సెంటి ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ చూడండి, సెంటీమీటర్. సో డెసిమీటర్, నాట్ డెకామీటర్. డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ బోత్. సో డెసిమీటర్. ఓకే. డెసిమీటర్. Here you please check the spelling. Meters. Now here what is this? Here this is centimeter. So here I want to make it in this way. Just I will try to do here. Text. Okay, I'll do it later. Text. I'll select here. 30 is okay. But here 0 ఉంది కదా, 0 అయితే ఇలా వస్తుంది. 90 అంటే చూద్దాం. I will make it 90 here. And what bit will come? Text. What is this? Centimeters. It's not getting like that. Why? Yes, got it. Yes. Now it's clear. Yes, I want to move here. This one. Okay. So like this is the meters. This is the decimeters. Again, I want to take a decimeter here. Text. So I will start here. Here I want to check. This is okay. 330 height. And here I want to make it again back 0 degrees. Now decimeters. Okay. Now it's clear now. Now here. Here, each part, what should I write? Should I write 1, 2, 3, or now here, what is the measurement? What is the measurement to us? How much? 3.72 kada. Please see here. 3.72 meters, right? What is 3 here? What is 3? Please, tondara cheppandi ma. What is 3 here?
3 meters, ma'am.
Yes, good. And what is 7 here?
Decimeter.
Yes, good. 7 is a decimeter. Okay. Then what
2
is
is centimeter. 2 is centimeter.
2 is centimeter. Yes, 2 is centimeter. Now it's clear, all of you. 3 is meters, 2 is decimeters, and 3 is centimeters. Okay. Now, here, meters where we have to measure. So 0 to 3, we have to measure here. Okay. We have to measure here 3 meters on this line. So I will draw one line here. Okay. So right now I drawn one line. Then where is decimeter? Decimeter, you have to 7 decimeter. So you have to check here 7 decimeter on this line. Okay. Now 2 where? 7.2 kada? 2 centimeter where? So I didn't write here, right? Of course I did. So again, this one is 1. This will be 0 if you go in this direction. So this will be 0. This is 1. This is 2. This letter is a very bigger one. So back. No, hold on. Last thing. Chudale. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So these are the centimeters. Okay. Now here, and one thing, can you tell me what is this? How much part of this one? Here in this small. If this is decimeter, right? This is a decimeter. This is 1 decimeter, 2 decimeter, 3 decimeter. In diagonal scale, this part is 1 part of this total length. This part is right, and here this is the 2 parts of 10. Okay, and this is 3 parts here. This part. So in each one, when we draw a diagonal, so one part is increasing compared to this one. Okay, are you all getting? This is 1 part, 2 parts of 10, 3 parts of 10, 4 parts, 5 parts, 6 parts, 7 parts, 8 parts, 9 parts, and 10th part. 10th part means 10th, 1 division is over. So what is each part? What is the unit of each part? What is the unit of each part? This one.
Centimeter.
Yes, centimeter. So if I take this one is, this is 1 meter. Okay, ఇది మీటర్ కదా 1 మీటర్. 1.1 అంటే ఇక్కడ 1.1 మీటర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, 1.1 అంటే ఇక్కడ. 1.2 అంటే from here to this is 1.2 meters. This is 1.3 meters. 1.3, 1.03 meters. Centimeters kada ikkada. Okay, so like that we have to measure. Now what is the measurement? The first measurement to measure is 3.72. Okay, so 3 is the main scale. Here 3 is the main scale. Okay, 3 is the main scale. And 7 is decimeter. 7 is decimeter. So we have to go here, 7th part. So on the 7th part, then what is the next one? 2 centimeters. Then 2 centimeters, where you have to mark? Anyone? 7 decimeter దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి then 2 centimeters ఎక్కడ మార్క్ చేయాలి? We have to mark here, this one. Okay, we have to mark here. So for this case, what I do is, here I will put a dot here. So for dot here, we don't have dot mark here. We don't have dot. ఇక్కడ మనకి డాట్ లేదు. ఈ డాట్ చాలా చిన్నగా కనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ we cannot see here. If I keep this dot also, we cannot see. Okay, so to solve this, what I do is I will make a donut. I will make a donut, right? Donut అంటే తెలుసు కదా మీకు, ఇన్నర్ డయామీటర్ ఉంటుంది, అవుటర్ డయామీటర్ ఉంటుంది, హోల్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో donut command, it is asking in the diameter, I will make it a 0. I don't want it in the diameter. Okay, 0. And outer diameter, this is very small compared to this one. So here I will make this, we are done for 30, right? So 30 అంటే కంపేర్ చేస్తే 5 వస్తుంది. 30 means I will take 10. I will check how much bigger size I have here. Center of the donut. Okay, this I got. This is enough. Okay, this dot is enough. Okay, so where should I keep this dot now? At what junction I have to take? 3.72 kada. 3 is in the main scale. Here I marked already. Okay, here I marked already. And where is 7.2? 7 is decimeters, right? 7 is decimeters. So we have to check here. We have to take from here. On 7th line, 2. So at this point we have to take. Okay, so I will copy this one. Copy. So I'll copy here. 8 point. You have to say it very careful on the 7th at 2. Where it is showing cross mark, green color, intersection, means intersection. Exactly we have to keep there. Okay. Now you got all of you. So showing this way, putting clear dot here. From this line, you can draw the line. From this point, you can draw the line. From this point, you can draw the line. Okay. We can draw the line like this. Again, for dimension, we can draw it like this. So how much is this one? How much is this one? Yes, please. How much is this one? Hello?
3.72.
3.72. What? Unit. What is the
Meter.
unit? Meters. So So 3.72 meters. Okay. Like that you can show. Is it clear now, all of you? Or else, if you don't want to show it like this here, you can show like this also. How? Drawing a line from here, okay, till at this place. You can show like this also. And copying this donut, copying this point. Don't talk as a donut now. Talk as a point. Okay. Like this. Okay. So now from line A, here you can write it. Line AB equals to 3.72 meters. 3.72 meters. So like this also you can show. Okay, like this also you can show. Either like this or like this. But don't show in two ways. Don't show in two ways. Have you all got? Yes? Have you all understood or not? Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all sure? ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ అడగండి అమ్మా. I'll explain. If not now, you give me time which one you are not understood, that I will explain.
Ma'am.
Or please ask me personally also. Yes? Yes, చెప్పు.
Ma'am, decimeter lines straight గా
హలో
రావద్దా
చెప్పు.
ma'am? Decimeter lines straight గా రావద్దా ma'am?
ఇక్కడ కదా డయాగ్నల్ స్కేల్ మెథడ్ అంటేనే అంతే కదా. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగు. ఓకే, డ్రాన్ లైన్ రైట్. ఒక బాక్స్ రాశాను. ఓకే, దీంట్లో 10 డివిజన్ అక్కడ ఎందుకులే, వద్దులే. జస్ట్ వెయిట్, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ హియర్. When I draw the line, a diagonal line, now you please observe here. You please observe here in this diagonal. This principle is there. It will take a lot of time to explain. Nowadays, they are not asking what is the principle of that diagonal, right? I will explain you. Okay. Now here, ten parts chase it. Delete just. Already divided here. The dot is vertical, okay, not seen. See, showing here. Yes. Okay. Now, in this diagonal, I have made one 10 parts. This part 10 parts. So this is also 10 parts, right? So what is this part compared to this one? How much is this length compared to this one? So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Right? You should know the geometrical, basic geometry you should know. Okay. In any rectangle, if you draw a diagonal, then if you make a 10 parts here like this, you should know what is the length of this one compared to this one. Yes?
Small.
Yes, please. Huh? Yes, how much?
1:10.
Yes, 1/10. This is 1/10. కదా ఇందాక మనము ఇది డెసిమీటర్ అంటే ఇది 1/10 ఆఫ్ డెసిమీటర్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్
10 centimeter.
1/10 సెంటీమీటర్ కదా
10 centimeter.
1/10 ఆఫ్ డెసిమీటర్ సెంటీమీటర్. ఓకే, సో సేమ్ థింగ్ వి హావ్ డన్ హియర్. సేమ్ అలాగే తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ కూడా. ఇది డెసిమీటర్ కదా, డెసిమీటర్. సో 1 part is how much? This is 1 decimeter. ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ చిన్న పార్ట్ ఉంది కదా, this part is how much? 1/10 of decimeter. 1/10 of decimeter is nothing but centimeter. That's why we had to go in the diagonal line. ఇక్కడ 2 centimeter, ఇక్కడ 1 centimeter, here 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, like that. So till here 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters, nothing but 1 decimeter. Kada 1 decimeter, 2 decimeter, like that. So in each, if you draw the diagonal, so in each 1